Do you know you can earn money on TikTok? Don't mind anyone who tells you what are you doing on social media. There's a lot of people who has quit their job just to earn good living on social media, to earn good money from social media. So whatever you're doing, do it well. So I want to show you how you can earn money on TikTok. So just go to your usual name here, press it tight and copy your usual name. You can see usual name copied. Then go down to Google. Okay, go to Google. All right. So here, type TikTok calculator, then search. Then go down to TikTok money calculator. This very one, click on it. Then scroll down. So you see here they said enter your TikTok usual name. Then paste your usual name that you already copied. Click on calculate earning. Okay. So right here you can see my own followers 3.5k, total like 5.9k, videos 631 video, and this is my estimated earning per video. So I can earn $25.52 to $63.80 per each video. All right, you can go further by viewing the analytics. All right, so this basically will take a bit of time to progress, to process. So here you can see, you can go further. So yes, you can earn good money from TikTok if you know what you're doing. Steady consistent can get you to that height you want to get to. All right, so whatever you're doing, please do it well. There are a lot of people that quit their job just to make social media their full-time job, okay? And they are earning well. So you can also be one of them and make good living from social media. So thank you guys for joining. Please make sure you like and follow my page for more updates. Thank you.